na Kivale refugee settlement iri mu bungi bw'empungi abari kwingana emitwaro 2 abari kugwa mu mahanga garengera 10 bit binjo muri aba nibarwo mu ihanga ya Democratic Republic of Congo.
Nko kunabagambira ngo tukatanduka umwaka gwa 58 nerizo bantu twakire empungi hati twine emitwaro 20 abishikire na Kivale echo nkwereka itakero twabire twine 71 square miles tizika expandingganizezo situire nizigibwa hempungi so ebintu nchoreka habireho challenges zamani
ogunenjagira ngo ekizibu cyo kusharaho obuhwezi kikanyise bingi na mnongo mbana bingi matoruku mu camp baza kuyayana mu town Kambara isinjiro obarukuronda sente
challenges bireho obuyamba tubire tufuna kurgo mu UN bukacendera tubwakirinka buri kandi obwo buyambi bukanu tuyamba mu ngeri nyingi bukanu tuyamba mu marwaro bugaka butuyamba mu mashomero bugaka butuyamba aha antunguka nko kukora hanguto nko kukora ebyombeko ebyo byona niho byabire esente zo zirukuza.
Ekizibe cy'hono na jangu kikanyise nibura rimbazi omarwaro omurega na Kivale abashaho bakacendera ebikushoma ebyubuyunjo ebinabyo berukobe
inamba y'abakozi ikacendera abo kugira ngo sente zikubashashurana n'ibyo kukozesa bukaba zitakumara waza kunywa sente zitufuna na abantu bakwetaga gukora imirimo kandi abantu kubacendera umukore mu bakwemba kore mu mejo ushangana cyo cyaretera abantu ubutashyikwa na no guhereza ubutukwetaga.
And also we are also seeing a challenge of infrastructure, mainly the clinical infrastructure. Because in OPD we have seen even in floor line cases, some people are lying on the floor. But however, this one very soon we are working on it because through EU Flex Fund we are having some new infrastructure coming on board.
Franco Rusimbi omugambirizi w'ekitongore ekiri kureberera empungi cha UNHCR nagira ngo ebizibe byene byongera omyanya etari munemu na munongejo eri kuturamo empungi.
We've seen people struggling to get water in Kivale here. It is 7.4 liters per person per day. That is so little. It is very, very little. And we are thinking if we don't get funding that comes in a way that we call flexible, flexible to mean that we can allocate it to the different sectors without having to earmark it to certain activities, we're going to see these problems continue.
Walsimnanje jangu ekizibe kijemiserize na bamwe omumpungi kutandika kuhunga omukamp bakagaruka mu mahanga gabo no baga gakirimo entaro.
And hygiene services as well. If you move around the communities, you see that there's a lot that is needed that needs to be done in order for the refugees to have to stay in good environment conditions.
Kwera n'amazi tunywa igihe kiri ntago ari meza n'ay'inyanja.
Especially when it comes to water for drinking, sometimes it's fetched from directly.
No kubona ibyo kurya nabyo birahenze.
Kusudi nishiepushe nijiokoe. Guvernema inasema mimi niliita M23 ikuye kamati mwingine kwenye mimi nilikuwa ninaongoza. M23 inasema ya kwamba mie njo niliita guvernema kusudi ibapike.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim.